Hey guys, welcome back to the Not Study video. Guys, in this video we will discuss if iOS 18 is battery draining or overheating problem. So how can you fix it? So guys, if your iPhone consumes your battery fastly in after iOS 18 update, so we can fix it. So first of all guys, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys you may make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this guys, here the option of VPN. If there is a reconnected VPN, you may disconnect that. Then guys, you may click here on general and click here on software update, and guys here you may see that here is the option of beta update. So you may click here and turn off beta update, and you may update your iPhone or iPad to the official iOS 18 version. Then guys, you may go back, and here is the option of iPhone storage. So you may click here, and guys you may uninstall or delete that apps which you are not using or which are unnecessary. After this guys, you may go back and you may scroll it down, and here is the option of background app refresh. So you may click here and turn this off. Then go back again, and here is the option of date and time. So you may click here and click on set, automatically turn this on. After this guys, here is the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click here, click on reset, and click on reset all settings. Then guys, you may go back again and open your settings again, and you may scroll it down, and here you may see that here is the option of privacy and security. So you may click here, and here is the option of location services. So you may turn off location services from here, and you may also turn off your tracking. So click here on tracking, and you may turn off this also from here. After this guys, you may go back, and you may just restart your device and check that your problem will be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed by all these methods, then guys you may click here on your Apple account, and guys here is the option of iCloud. So you may click here on iCloud. So click here guys, click here on iCloud, and you may turn off your backup from here. Then guys, you may go back, and then you may check your problem will be fixed. So if your problem is still not fixed by all these methods also, then guys there are two ways. The first method is guys, you may just downgrade your iOS 18 to latest iOS 17 version through your computer through 3U tools, or you may click here on general, and you may click here or transfer or reset iPhone, and click on erase all content and settings, and you may reset your iPhone, and then guys you may make sure that you should create the backup of your iPhone before reset, and then you may check your problem will be fixed. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.